Okay, so today we're going to take a look at the brand new limited edition Reinhold Würth 1/4 inch bit ratchet set. So as you can see, we have the box in, we open it straight up, and what we're presented with immediately, we have the nice Wurth logo, the Reinhold Würth signature, and of course, limited edition. So the first thing you'll notice about this ratchet is actually just how small it is, and what I particularly like is actually comes with a set of 7 bits. You get 6 inside the holder, 1 actually inside the ratchet already, and the bits will actually slot into the handle for storage purposes, which I think makes this super versatile and a nice little compact tool. When you actually look closer, you actually get a steel head of the ratchet, and this is actually an aluminium storage compartment. So nice lightweight and strength within that as well. Again, presented on the ratchet, you've got the Reinhold signature and also zebra quality. So Wurth stamp of a quality product on this tool. Really nice and tight inside the hand, which means you get a really nice grip and nice easy metal selector switch there for clockwise and anti-clockwise. We also have a micro adjustment ring to set the starting point of our 1/4 inch bits. Now the ratchet mechanism in this actually holds 60 teeth, so very tight clicks in terms of movement and swing before the ratchet will bite again. So this is really good for those really tight to reach areas, and also when you look at actually the depth profile on this, you can see just how shallow this ratchet with the bit combined is. This is actually 27mm. So very low profile. So in those really slim, tight to reach areas, could be an excellent tool to utilize. So if we now open up the actual bit holder, you can see you actually have 6 bits. Now this is all magnetized, so you don't need to worry about the bits falling out as you open it up from the ratchet, which makes it really useful. And obviously you can chop and change these depending on what your preference is. Included in the limited edition set, you actually get 6mm, 3mm hex drive, standard slotted, PH1, as well as a PH2 in there as well. And then as well as that, you're also going to get Torx 25 and a Torx 20 bit in there also. So nice little versatile set there, all stored inside the handle. And there we go, just one more time to give you that overview of what you're going to get inside this new limited edition set. And again, I find those clicks really nice. You can really tell it's a quality ratchet mechanism. And this will actually take roughly, it's 50 Newton meters worth of torque. So that's pretty good for a little ratchet like this. And I think you're not going to need anything more than that when you are working in those really small, tight to reach areas. So there we go. That is the new limited edition Reinhold Würth 1/4 inch bit ratchet set.